Hello and welcome to another adventure here on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Soph X Revolution Extra Spice palette. So if you like playing with and talking about makeup just as much as I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of all future content I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Usually. In fact, this one may be a little off. The next couple weeks we are doing our final project at my college. Things are crazy, so my posting schedule is gonna be wonky, but it will get back to normal soon, and I'm still gonna try to make my schedule, or at least have 2 videos a week. Fingers crossed. But today, I really wanted to play with this palette. It is one of my favorites. I haven't used it in way too long. I don't even know quite what I want to do. I want to play with this palette, and I thought it would be fun to film, so here we are, we're going on this adventure together, and hopefully this will be a tutorial for your really pretty eye look. So I have my foundation and brows on. I don't have any concealer or blush, bronzer, highlight, any of that. I'm gonna prime my lids using the Rimmel Stay Matte. This is actually a face primer, but it does work pretty well as an eye primer too. And don't worry, I'll zoom in before I get started on the eyeshadow. Now I think we're gonna go ahead and do the little tape trick. I want to get those shadow shield things, but on the other hand, I'm like, is it really worth it? Because this works pretty well, and it's super cheap, so like, is it worth it? Are shadow shields reusable? Because I feel like if they're reusable, then yeah, it might be worth it. How expensive are they? I need to look into it, but then again, I don't feel like buying more crap. Like, one of the reasons I wanted to do this tutorial is because I really love this palette, and I just want to, you know, love the products I already have instead of buying more stuff, you know? Okay, I want to start by putting vitamin C in my crease. Vitamin C is probably my favorite shade in this palette because it's so pretty. It's a nice, vibrant matte, and I just don't have another vibrant yellow shadow. Pack it into the crease and pull it out to make a wing. I'm gonna carry it up above the crease too. Why not? I'm honestly not even going anywhere. I just wanted to play with eyeshadow so I can be as dramatic as I want to be. Has anyone else been playing Wizards Unite? I'm having so much fun with that game. I just got to choose my profession yesterday, and of course I went with Professor, because who doesn't want to work at Hogwarts? Okay, I think I'm going to take that same brush and go into cookie dough here. I think I'm just going to blend the edges with that a little bit. I don't know if I regret that or not. I think I regret that, but we at least gotta even it out. We do bad decisions on both eyes here and hope to save it later. I'm gonna go back with vitamin C and try to... I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going back with vitamin C and hoping for the best. Now I'm gonna take a much more precise crease brush, and I'm gonna go into lakes because it's this kind of khaki green color. And I'm gonna put that right in the outer crease. And I'm really only bringing it in about halfway, but I am gonna bring it out. You know, with Instagram and looking at all the like intricate, amazing looks, sometimes you just, at least I just feel like, well, I might as well not even try to do something dramatic because it's not going to look as good as all of these looks on Instagram. But you know what? Sometimes you just gotta play with makeup. It's supposed to be fun. Like, who cares if it doesn't look Instagram perfect? I'm gonna go back with vitamin C and blend the edges of that a little bit. Now I'm going to take this tapered brush and go into Brownies. And I'm just going to put that on the outer third. I like that brown in that mix. I need to go back with the lakes and blend this a little better, but Brownies was the right choice there. And I am pulling lakes further in than Brownies by a good bit. I actually liking this. It's very dramatic, especially for me, but I'm liking it. I'm even kind of liking that I put cookie dough there. I don't really regret that anymore. All right, now I'm gonna use this Alamar brush that the name has worn off of, so I'm not sure which one this is, but I know it's from the brand Alamar, and Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. I have not had this for that long, but I use it so much that the label's rubbing off. It's a really good concealer. And do a half cut crease. Wish me luck. I haven't done one of these in a minute. Honestly, a cut crease isn't the best for my eye shape, but on the plus side, because I have that hooded eye, the fact that the cut crease isn't absolutely perfect is kind of hidden when my eyes are open. Pluses and minuses. See, like that one's pretty decent. I'm not sure which shimmer I want to put in the middle of this. I have Everyday, Infinity, LA Sun, or Dreams. I think I want to go with Everyday. Yeah, this shimmer right here. I'm gonna just use my finger because you know, Makeup Revolution shimmers will pretty much only work if you use your finger. I like that. I think that was definitely the right choice of shimmer. I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Aurora and just put it on the outer bit of the shimmer. Just a little bit. I kind of ruined this shade by wetting it one time, and I'm not 100% sure how to get it back to how it was. So my Aurora doesn't work amazing. Now I'm going to take that tapered brush again and just use a little bit more of Brownies to blend this edge. Oh yeah, that blended really nicely. Take a little bit more vitamin C and blend right here. Not really along the cut crease, just between Lakes Brownie and vitamin C. And now I'm gonna take this tapered brush and go into Reputation, the black, and I'm gonna use this as a liner. I really like using black shadows as a liner because I'm really bad with liquid liner, and I find powder to be more forgiving, especially when I'm doing a wing. Like if I freehand a wing, it is with tape and black shadow. Otherwise, I use my Vamp stamp. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer on this brush again and do the whole carve out the eyebrows thing. All right, now for the satisfying part. Now let's look at the truth. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, I do. I'm kind of scared to do anything to the wings. If I don't shorten this wing, then I need to extend this wing, and I don't want to do that. So we're going to try, emphasis on try, to shorten these wings without completely messing everything up. Wish me luck. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, do my concealer, and be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna take this Vintage Cosmetics Company eyeshadow brush and go back into Vitamin C. And just run that along the lower lash line. I think I'm actually going to take a little bit of cookie dough as well. And I'm going to take a blank brush and just blend and smoke that out a little bit. And now I want to try something a friend showed me that I've never tried before, and we'll see if it's a huge mistake. So I'm going to take my Morphe M321 brush, but I'm not going to take the brush, I'm going to take the handle and go into Reputation. I actually really like that. Okay, and since I used the lightest shade in this palette as my lid color, I'm gonna go in with my face highlight, which today I used the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in Ice Me Out. Pop this onto the inner corner and under the brow bone. So I'm going to setting spray, mascara, lipstick, and again, BRB. And here is the finished look. I am really happy with how this turned out. Let me do a close-up on the eyes. I think it's super cute and I would definitely wear it again. I even like the dots underneath. This one's a little bit cleaner. Can anyone ever get the other eye just right in both drawing and makeup? But there we are. I paired it with the Kylie lip kit in the shade Bear. This is the velvet version, which I think goes really well with this lid shade. They're both kind of a nudie pink, so I like it. This was fun. I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I just played around. I really like the look that came from it, and I hope you do too. If you recreate it, make sure to tag me. My Instagram is SarahJo_makeup. I would love to see your looks, and it was just really nice to revisit a palette that I honestly need to use more because I love this freaking palette. It's gorgeous, and is it brand new? No, but it's not expired and I still love it and have it in my collection. So I encourage you to take a look at your collection and revisit some of your older palettes that you may not have picked up in a while and remind yourself why you love them instead of rushing out to buy a new palette. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your old favorites, and I will see you all next time.